Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to day trade on Robinhood, a beginner-friendly guide to getting started with this exciting but fast-paced world of trading. If you're new to this, don't worry, I'll break it down step by step so you can feel confident jumping in. First off, what's day trading? It's buying and selling stocks within the same day to capitalize on short-term price movements. Robinhood makes it super accessible with its user-friendly app and zero-commission trades. But remember, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Success comes from strategy and discipline. Let's get into the basics. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app and create an account. You'll need to link a bank account for deposits, and once you're verified, you're ready to go. Next, educate yourself on the market. Use Robinhood's tools like the newsfeed and charts to research stocks. Look for volatile ones, like tech stocks or cryptocurrencies, but start small to minimize risks. Now, for the actual trading. Open the app, search for a stock, and analyze its price trends. Set up a buy order when you spot an upward trend, and don't forget to set stop-loss orders to protect your investment. Always monitor your trades in real time. Robinhood's interface makes this easy with live updates. A few key tips. Stick to a plan. Never invest more than you can afford to lose, and keep an eye on market hours. Trading typically happens between 9:30 a.m. and 4 p.m. Eastern Time. Also, be aware of pattern day trading rules. If you make more than 3-day trades in 5 business days, you'll need at least $25,000 in your account to continue. Wrapping this up, day trading on Robinhood can be thrilling, but it's crucial to stay informed and manage risks. Always do your own research and consider consulting a financial advisor. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Let's trade smart. See you next time.